Everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Tuesday, January 17th, and I have a really fun collection of fabric to share with you, and then a couple of ideas on what we might do with it. This collection is called Got Wood, which is definitely a tongue-in-cheek name. So to start with, we have all different types of sausages, and I'll read you the description here while I'm showing you this next piece. Camping gear, craft beer, sausages, and more would make the best quilt for your favorite outdoorsman. These fun novelty prints by Dear Stella are colored in reds, grays, and browns. So this one is, well, I guess it's right side up and upside down. We've got all kinds of beers. We've got Bones Pale Ale, Deadly Ale, just plain old beer with a deer head on it, Fire Starter, Red Skull. So that's fun. And then we have, of course, the Buffalo Plaid, Buffalo Chuck, Buffalo Plaid. I don't know. You tell me. And then this one is just totally my favorite piece. I think this would make a fun face mask if you were still in the market for that. All of these have tiny little names on them. Hopefully you can see it. A chin full of wind. Let it grow. Chop wood, look good. My days are lumbered. If you like puns, this is absolutely the collection for you. And then this one's so cute. Look at the bears. Little teeny bears in a very tonal print. And then, of course, we have the lumber for the lumberjacks. So we pulled a few patterns and have a few ideas on what you can do with this fun collection. The first thing that actually just came to me is that the burrito pillowcase patterns would be so cute in this fabric. Next up, we have Amarillo Garden. This is a new pattern for us by Emma Jane of Dream It Quilted, and she's actually teaching a class on how to create this quilt. So if you like this quilt and you like this fabric, you could just make that happen because the quilt has 5 different fabrics in it. So there you go. And then the other pattern we pulled is Sahara, which is a Villa Rosa $2 pattern. I love these patterns because they're great because they're inexpensive. They're very easy to follow. You don't lose your place in the pattern. And you can always pretty much always make them bigger. So if you like the pattern, but it's not quite the size you want, you just keep adding blocks. This one finishes at 42 by 59. And I have a sample here of it. Of course, this is not those fabrics, but just so you can get an idea of scale on that, this is a sample that we have hanging in the shop from an older fabric collection that we don't have much of anymore, but we just wanted you to see what that pattern looks like all made up. So that's what we have for you today. We are always open until 7 p.m. on Tuesdays. If you need a little extra help or a little extra advice, Tuesday evenings are a great time to come visit. So Donna and Susan would love to help you out if you show up later in the day. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.